I just opened this very large package from China. I had not put the camera in the record mode. Out of that package came this package, and this package, and this package. I was in the process of opening this when I realized I didn't have the camera recording. Okay, so these are some SO connectors with a 1-inch flange on them. Now these are available with the smaller flange. I picked these for a reason though. Fairly light package. This is one of the 8-digit frequency counters. And the reason I got this was because I had ordered this enclosure here for this counter, I hope. Yes. I was going to put my other counter in it. I was just going to move this counter, but I decided, well, I'll just put a new counter in the new case and see how it works. Then the big package So what do we have here? We have 2 of these. That is 2 packages of 2. So these are little alligator clips. They're not fully touch safe, but they're certainly shrouded. They're operated by this little push button. And they're designed to be mounted on a 1/4-inch banana jack. I'd like to find these with wire terminals rather than a banana jack. And maybe I'd like to find some other colors. Here is a little tiny aluminum box. So this is really small. The reason I bought this is because I believe that these SO connectors will fit onto this little box in lieu of one or both end plates. And what I want to do is I want to try to duplicate this, which is an aluminum box mounted on a heatsink with a 30 dB attenuator in it. I have some different shapes of these, and what it is, it's a piece of cloth embedded in a piece of plastic with a air hose in it. It's hollow. Comes with the bulb that you normally see on a sphygmometer. So with the hose, I didn't push the whole way in, but you can blow this thing up. See it getting fatter and fatter? You can actually lift 50 or so pounds with this. So I can use it under a piece of equipment to, for example, if I can get it under the equipment, to slide the equipment into a rack cabinet, or to lift it up far enough to put a set of spacers under it. You could use this to position a door or window, or you can insert it. You can let the air out by pushing this button. So it gets really flat. So you could insert it underneath something that you needed to lift. And I think the last thing we have is this. It is a Decade resistor box. Things in Chinese, yes. So everything's in Chinese, including, presumably, the allowable wattage. Well, at some point it changes from a half watt to a 1 watt device. It's advertised as 0 to 9999.9. You can see how the resistors by Decade come out to these terminals. So this is a little bit big for shop use, although it has a nice feel to it. It is Decades, 10th, 1, 10, so on. Plastic box. Open it up and see what it looks like. Yes, we are. They're surface mount resistors. Right here. There. And the contacts are just printed on the board. And I'm guessing the contact material is just copper against steel. So they certainly could have made the box smaller, height-wise. Here we have the seller pages from AliExpress. This is that little box, which is 25 by 25 millimeter, that's an inch. And it's 40 millimeters this way. $3.06, free shipping. Here's the frequency meter. It looks like it might be green. We'll find out. I'm not sure what the difference here is. Maybe color costs something. In any event, it cost, say, $8.50 plus $4.32 shipping. Here's those SO 239 with a 1-inch flange on them, and they were $1.66 a piece, free shipping. Here's this little air wedge alignment tool. It was $4. The decade resistance box was $16.65, and these little red and black alligator clips were 2 pieces for $2.20. So they're $1.10 a piece. This is a package from a domestic seller from eBay. And what I've got here is 4 24 volt 50 millimeter by 10 thick fans, and they're, I believe, ball bearing fans. So they are 1.3 amps at 24 volts, 10 millimeters thick. So it says it all. They're a little more than $4 a piece, and this is the seller on eBay. Now these came immensely fast. I think I ordered these on a Sunday and they came on a Tuesday. It's interesting. One of the fan blades has a little weight, a little glue on it. I wonder if they balance these things. They're flying leads. There's not a connector on the ends.